Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to silence unknown callers. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. In order for you to silence unknown caller, you have to go to your phone settings or phone calls and tap on these two dots at the top right corner. Once you click this one, you will see some options, but what you're going to do is you have to click settings. Here on settings, tap on this set rules, click this one. Now on the set rules, you will see here options such as block calls, block messages, block list. All you have to do here is tap on this block calls. Once you click this one, then you will see option block all calls from unknown numbers. Click or tap this one. Then after that, you will see this and all you have to do is to toggle this one on. Tap turn on and that's it. So that's how you easily silence unknown callers on your Android. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.